You ever been over here before? You see anything? Didn't see nothing.
You just wanted to start by Southwest Street.
How about U.S. Airways?
I think Delta.
You know where we are, dude?
No.
Okay.
Good job. I'll be right behind you in the next one.
Alright. Keep going. Are we at the airport?
Yeah.
Should we go look out the window?
Yeah.
Let's go find a good window, okay?
Yeah, that one's moving, the plane. Look at over here. That airplane is moving, you see it?